20. Practical skills, P5. A hypothesis about the relationship between two variables predicts how one variable affects the other. It should be testable and falsifiable by experiment. To make up a 1% mass volume solution, dissolve 1 g of the solute in a small amount of water, then make up to a total volume of 1 dm3. To make up a 1 mol dm3 solution, dissolve 1 mole of the solute in a small amount of water, then make up to a total volume of 1 dm3. The mean of a set of data is calculated by adding up all the individual values and dividing by the total number of readings. The median is the middle value in the set of results. The mole is the most common value in the set of results. The interquartile range is the range into which middle 50% of the data fall. Standard deviation is a measure of how much the data are spread on either side of the mean. Standard is a measure of the likelihood of the mean your sample being the true mean of the whole population. There is a 95% probability that the true mean lies within +2 standard errors of the mean you have calculated. This can be shown by drawing error bars on a bar chart. The effort bar extends 2 standard errors above and below the plotted value. If the error bars for 2 sets of data overlap, then there is no significant difference between 2 sets of data. If the error bars do not overlap, it is possible that there is a significant difference between them, but this is not necessarily so. The t-test is used to determine whether or not 2 sets of quantitative data, each with an approximately normal distribution, are significantly different from one another. The chi-2 chi-square test is used to determine whether or not observed results differ significantly from expected results. Pearson's linear correlation test is used to determine whether or not there is a linear correlation between 2 sets of quantitative data. Spearman's rank correlation test is used to determine whether or not there is a or not there is a correlation between 2 paired sets of data that can be ranked. When discussing an experiment, you need also to consider possible sources of error and validity of the experiment, and be able to suggest ways in which the experiment's reliability could be improved. You should be able to reach a conclusion about the data and the use of statistical tests, and perhaps make suggestions for further experimental work.